Hello kids, let's learn some 2D and 3D shapes and also the color name. These are our colors. These are our colors. These are our colors. This is violet color. Violet color. This is orange. Orange color. Black. Black color. This is pink color. Red. Red color. Sky blue. Sky blue color. This is yellow color. Yellow color. Grey color. Grey color. This is fluorescent yellow. Green. Green color. Baby pink. Pink color. This is blue color. This is circle. Diamond. Right angle triangle. Cube. Heart. This is a star. It has 8 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is a 8-pointed star. Now let us color these shapes. This is sea green. Pink color. This is heart. Sky blue color. This is right angle triangle. This is silver color. Golden color. Orange color. Baby pink. This is circle. It has no side. It is diamond or rhombus. It has 4 sides. This is right angle triangle. It has 3 sides and 1 angle 90 degree. It is a 2D shape. This is cube. It is 3D shape. It has 6 faces. This is heart. It is a shape. This is star. It is also a shape. It has 8 points. So it is called 8-point star. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and keep learning. Bye bye.